talk about the other big company that we've been watching. A big earnings beat from Amazon helping drive the stock higher in early trade. The company reporting $59.7 billion in sales in Q1. But the big announcement here, Amazon announcing an $800 million investment this quarter to give Prime members one-day shipping. Joining us from New York to talk about this is Tom Ford, who is Senior Research Analyst at D.A. Davidson. Tom, it's great to have you on this morning. I was looking at your notes here. A lot of people making a big deal of this one-day shipping. You've said that you don't think it's going to be a big game changer.
So first off, thanks for having me on. I definitely view it as incremental and not a game changer. And there's a lot of reasons. So I'll give you probably the best one. So if you are a women's fashion shopper, and you weren't buying products from Amazon before, the ability to get that women's fashion one day faster is not a game changer. And if you think about Amazon, they're very good at selling you a lot of product. But if you, again, look at women's fashion and grocery, which, again, they acquired Whole Foods to advance, they're not great at everything.
So I'm looking at the price target here. You say 2,550. Wonder if we can pull up the chart right now to see where Amazon is trading. That's a significant upside on that front. What do you think is going to be the big driver?
Yeah, so the big story, which you talked about, is how Amazon is essentially profit incorporated. So when you look at their cloud computing effort, still growing at north of 40%. You look at their third-party unit sales, 53% versus 52%. Now, I know advertising, which is another third big profit bucket for Amazon, had slower revenue growth on a tougher comparison. But it's that ability to grow that cloud computing effort and third-party retail that has driven such earnings upside versus expectations. And we expect that to continue going forward.
Hey, Tom, Dan Roberts here. Let me ask you this. When Amazon last reported earnings, it did warn that costs are now going to go up. It's going to be investing, spending more. And I remember at the time people were concerned about that. What did we see in this new earnings report with regards to that? Are we going to see Amazon investing more? Now, obviously, to do the one-day shipping, that'll cost a lot. We'll see more investment because of that. Any other areas where Amazon is about to start investing more?
Sure. But Dan, isn't it amazing that they're going to invest an incremental $800 million and still generate more than $2 billion in profits in the June quarter? How things have changed at Amazon. But you had brought up a good point. So they're still investing heavily in original content. So that's a big area of investment for Amazon, and international expansion. And I think international expansion is very important because they're navigating now a more difficult regulatory environment in India. And India is expected to be a huge long-term growth opportunity for Amazon. So I think that's something that needs to be monitored closely.
Okay, we'll have to leave it there. Tom Forte joining us from D.A. Davidson. Appreciate your time this morning.
My pleasure. Thank you.